As cyber threats evolve with increasing sophistication, the strategies we employ to defend against them must also advance. Among these strategies, identity management emerges as a cornerstone of modern cybersecurity frameworks, with privileged identity management, PIM, playing a pivotal role, especially within environments like Azure Active Directory, AD. Understanding privileged identity management, PIM. What is PIM? At its core, privileged identity management, PIM, refers to the processes and technologies used to manage, control, and monitor access to critical resources within an organization's IT environment. This includes managing the credentials of users who have elevated access privileges, such as system administrators, to minimize the risk of breaches. Why PIM? The necessity of PIM arises from the inherent risks associated with privileged accounts. These accounts, if compromised, can grant attackers unfettered access to an organization's most sensitive data and systems, leading to catastrophic breaches. Thus, PIM is not just a tool but a crucial safeguard, ensuring that only the right individuals have access to the right resources, at the right time, and for the right reasons. The importance of PIM in Azure AD. Azure Active Directory, Microsoft's cloud-based identity and access management service, integrates PIM to offer a robust mechanism for securing privileged access. In the context of Azure AD, PIM provides a granular control over privileged roles and access rights, making it a critical component for any organization's security posture. Mitigating risks. By enforcing just-in-time, JIT, access, requiring approval for accessing privileged roles, and continuously monitoring activities, PIM helps mitigate the risk of insider threats and external attacks. It ensures that privileged access is not only minimized but also monitored and auditable. Core components of Azure AD PIM. To appreciate the capabilities of PIM within Azure AD, it's essential to understand its core components. Just-in-time access. JIT access reduces the attack surface by providing privileged access only when needed, for a limited time. Role-based access control, RBAC. RBAC ensures that users are assigned roles that closely match their job responsibilities, minimizing unnecessary access to sensitive information. Conditional access policies. These policies add security layers by requiring users to meet certain conditions before accessing privileged roles, such as multi-factor authentication, MFA. Audit logs and alerts. Continuous monitoring and auditing of privileged sessions help detect suspicious activities, with alerts being raised for any anomalies. Managing and controlling access with Azure AD PIM. Effective management and control of access are critical in preventing unauthorized access to privileged information. Azure AD PIM facilitates this through granular access controls. Administrators can define exactly what resources a user can access, under what conditions, and for how long. Approval workflows. Before a user can assume a privileged role, they must go through an approval process, adding an extra layer of scrutiny. Automated role activation. Roles can be automatically activated when certain conditions are met, streamlining the process while ensuring security.